Okay, so this is the Kawasaki compactor roller. So last time we have done doing the restoration. You can check out the restoration video on my channel. Yeah, everything is done for this machine actually, but there's one thing that we will need to check for this machine is the vibration coupling. The motor is okay, so we're gonna need to check on the vibration coupling. So the coupling is in the middle of this roller right over there. Gonna need some more work to remove the coupling, but first we're gonna need to remove this frame, unscrew all the bolts, and there is a 4 nuts. We need to remove all that, then only that we can remove the frame. After we remove the frame, then we're gonna need to remove the housing, the bearing housing. Then after that we can see the coupling inside. So that's what we need to do for this machine. habis. Set habis. Pasok ah. Set up. Alright, so this is the Kawasaki Caviar for vibration coupling. As I do the checking, I remove the motor and the housing, and as I check the coupling, so this is the coupling. There is no problem, and this is the original coupling for this roller. So I think this is the standard vibration for the machine. They're actually looking for a more strong vibration for this roller, so I don't know exactly how to increase the vibration power for this roller. I will just let this machine like this first, see if they can find a better solution to increase the vibration power for this roller. But if you have any suggestion on how to increase the vibration, you can let me know by commenting this video. I appreciate all your suggestion and your opinion about this roller. And yeah, I think I just let this machine like this first and see if we have the solution to address this issue. And yeah, I will continue doing the video. So thank you so much, and yeah, see you guys on the next video.